Hello, my name's Jack Grove. I'm a marine biologist and professional naturalist. One of the driving forces in my career has been the preservation of marine biodiversity. An organization that's doing a marvelous job toward that end is the Coral Restoration Foundation, based right here in Key Largo, Florida. I support them because I know that without healthy coral reefs, we will lose many of the species that we've come to know, love, and depend upon in the oceans of the world. I support the Coral Restoration Foundation. I hope you will as well. Thank you.
I'm passionate about corals because while they may seem like plants, they're actually animals.
Hi, my name is Alec, and I'm passionate about corals because half the oxygen that we breathe comes directly from the ocean. And one of those major oxygen producers are corals.
I love coral reefs because they remind me of the ocean, and I love going in the ocean. And coral reefs are just so pretty, especially when you go snorkeling.
We are taught from a very early age to take care of what we love. And for me, the ocean is what I love, so I will do everything in my power to take care of it.
I'm passionate about corals for so many different reasons. Corals provide habitat for all kinds of marine organisms all across the world. They support different activities for tourism like scuba diving and snorkeling. They support our fisheries, and they also protect coastal communities from really intense storm surges. Not only that, but corals are just beautiful animals, and they're so complex, and that is why I love corals.
I'm passionate about corals because they're one of the most diverse ecosystems in the entire world, and diversity rocks!
Besides being amazingly life-sustaining, corals are beautiful. Gorgonians, zoanthids, Acropora, Montipora, absolutely stunning.
Hey everyone, I'm Bailey, and I love corals because they protect our coast by reducing wave energy during hurricanes and severe storms.
I get my coral passion thanks to the example of the amazing staff, interns, and volunteers at CRF. Here's to you.
I have a coral passion because coral reefs provide shelter for so many cool critters, including my favorite, the arrow crab.
I'm Braylon, and I love corals because they're amazing, intricate, vibrant, colorful, and simply awesome.
Hi Coral Restoration, my name is Brittany and I am a PADI scuba instructor. I started diving when I was 12 years old. The reef is very important to me, it's my passion, it's what I love to do. I love bringing new divers onto the reef and getting everybody inspired and excited about what the ocean has to offer. So it's definitely really important to me to keep the reefs healthy for a long time to come so that I have a long career in front of me, spreading the awareness and getting everybody as excited as possible about the ocean. So thank you for doing what you do.
I have a coral passion because I'm a lover of all fish, especially puffers, and 25% of the ocean's fish depend on coral reefs.
Hi, I'm Charis. I'm passionate about corals because their unique structure provides a home for many fishes.
Coral reefs are important to me because they create such a dynamic and diverse home for so many aquatic species that we would never be able to see anywhere else in the world.
Coral reefs provide nursery habitats for about a quarter of the ocean's fish. When we have healthy reefs, these fish can grow to their adult sizes and provide a sustainable source of food for many coastal communities. That's one of the many reasons why I love coral reefs.
I have a passion for corals because they are over 500 million years old, and they are one of the longest living animals on Earth.
Hi, I'm David from Rainbow Reef Dive Center. Coral reefs are a magical dance of color and light. They're so vibrant, so full of life, and that's why I love them.
I have a passion for corals because they help protect my family and my home from hurricanes.
We love our coral reefs.
Here in the Florida Keys, we are home to one of the largest coral reef systems, creating an amazing, diverse ecosystem, supporting a happy, healthy marine life for big and small animals. And for that, we are so thankful.
Coralpalooza 2020, we're super excited.
Hi love corals because they make homes for little fish and big fish and sharks, home to live in.
The beauty of corals and the symbioses that take place because of them is indescribable. And in a rapidly changing environment, passion is what can change the world.
I have coral passion because corals aren't only an animal, they have plant and mineral properties, so they're basically a triple threat.
Hi, I'm Emily. Hi, I'm Reba. And we love coral reefs because they're home to sea turtles.
As a scuba diver, I am passionate about saving coral reefs because they are home for sea life and help to support marine biodiversity.
Hi, my name is Jenny and I love coral reefs because of how beautiful they are and how they have a tendency to just bring you into a whole new world on a dive.
Hi, my name is Jess and I have coral passion. Corals are like the cities of the sea and provide home and resources to 25% of all marine species.
I have coral passion because the corals are the rainforest of our oceans. They nurture more than 25% of the marine species, and they also produce a large amount of the oxygen that we breathe.
Did you know that corals are millions of years older than dinosaurs and they're still around today? Let's go find some.
Hello, my name is Jim Wyatt, and I believe the reefs are what keeps the entire planet alive. Without the reefs, the planet would die.
I'm passionate about coral because we depend on coral and need it to survive. Coral is under attack. Let's use reef-safe sunscreen.
Hi, I'm Katie. I'm passionate about corals because they are beautiful structures found throughout the world. Ways you can help at home are by using recyclable bags, water bottles, and reusable straws.
Hi, I'm Kell. I love coral because a healthy reef means I get to do more than just read about it.
We love coral this much!
Hi, this is John from Rainbow Reef. I love coral reefs because they protect our homes from waves and from storms, and they make a great contribution to our local economy.
I'm passionate about coral reefs because they act as a barrier to the shore, absorbing wave energy and protecting our homes from storm surges and flooding.
Hi, I'm Scuba Lou, and I want you to know that the Florida Keys Barrier Reef is the third largest barrier reef in the world, and it needs all of our help.
Here at Reef, we love to count fish. Our volunteer fish survey project is made up of over 250,000 surveys worldwide. We have a coral passion because healthy coral populations support healthy fish populations.
My name's Maddie and I love coral reefs because the animals there are unlike anything else in the entire world.
We have a coral passion because over 500 million people rely on coral reefs for food, jobs, and coastal protection.
Coral reefs are super important because they are the base of a huge ecosystem, and in the end it's this ecosystem that's creating marine life and giving life to the oceans.
Corals are important to me because they're ageless. We inherited them from the beginning of time, and I cannot accept that we'll be responsible for their disappearance.
Hi, my name is Mckenzie. The reason why I love coral reefs is because even though they're less than 1% of the ocean, they're home to almost 25% of all marine life.
I have a coral passion because it's up to us to make sure coral reefs outlive our generation.
I think the most important reason we should all care about corals is because they're the basis of a whole ecosystem. Without them, all the animals that call coral reefs home could not exist.
Hi guys, we're Rainbow Reef Dive Center and we love the coral reefs.
We are coral passionate because corals are amazing.
Colorful. Complex.
Psychedelic.
Diverse.
Alive.
Fragile. Resilient.
Inspiring.
And corals have created the largest living structure that can be seen from outer space.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Rose, and I'm passionate about corals because they are super sophisticated creatures. They buddy up with algae called zooxanthellae so they can produce food for themselves. Imagine being able to grow your own food inside your body. Now that's awesome.
I love our coral reefs because they're alive. I want to share that with everyone.
Hi everyone, Ranger Lindsay here from John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. Our park was created as one of the first steps in protecting one of Florida's greatest treasures, our coral reefs.
I'm
passionate about coral reefs because even though they cover less than 1% of the ocean floor, they support over 25% of all marine animals.
Coral is important to me because coral reefs are the home of a diverse array of many beautiful sea creatures, including this one.
For us surfers, coral reefs are really important and really essential because it's where we grew up, it's our playground, and I think it's life for us.
Hi, I'm Tanya. How can you not be passionate about corals? They're one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet, and they provide homes for so many different organisms, and they provided my dinner tonight.
For us as islanders, corals are really important because it builds all the reef around our islands that protect us from the big waves, and it also shapes the waves that all the island kids surf.
Corals are the most important thing in my life. They give me everything, they gave me a purpose, and that's why I'm fighting for their protection and to save them with all my island friends.
Happy corals make for a healthy reef, and I love exploring all the amazing sea life every day.
How can you not love corals? Look at what they can do!
I'm passionate about coral reefs because they're the ocean's ultimate classroom. Every time I take my divers down scuba diving on an ocean reef, not only do they come out learning something new, but they have a newfound appreciation and love for the ocean that's always been in their backyard.
Hi, I'm Andrea Williams, Vice President of the National Association of Black Scuba Divers. We've worked with CRF since 2009, and we'd love for you to join us on June 6th for some Coralpalooza fun.